Right here, look at that.
Oh, man. I wish I had my glasses
Oh, I
on.
just zoomed in on it with the video.
Here's the other one. That's
What is
amazing.
going on?
I don't know. It's crazy. But they were here last week, 2 of them. And then one keeps flying out from the tree above the triangle. They're not looking for you, Levi.
Why are they making that sound? To call to each other?
Probably. Hope you can get a good picture of its coloring.
No, not from this far away.
Comes closer.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. Here they come.
Got my glasses.
Here it comes right over the tree in a second, I think. Yep, right here. Right over the tree. Oh, it's going back. Whoa, I just really zoomed in on that.
Man, I hope we get to see the coloring.
I don't think so.
You see it clearly. That'd be crazy if they're young eagles. Sounds like
Bald
an eagle.
eagles?
I don't know.